Good morning, students. I am Satnam Kaur. I am going to explain our next chapter, chapter number 9, that is matrix. Now, see, student, this is a new concept for you. So, please listen it carefully. The basic in this concepts are rows and columns. What is the meaning of rows and columns? See, students. Now, I take a square bracket, that is the sign of matrix, and these members are present in the matrix. See, row, I represent arrow there. That means this is the members of row E and B. Then second row is C, D, and the elements of third row are E and F. The other concept is column. We take the column like this wise. The first column have the member A, C, E. Then the second column have the member B, D, F. Once again, this side row, this side column. Next concept is order. The matrix order. What is the order? See, row multiply column. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. And how many columns are there? 1, 2. That means row multiply column. Row are 3 and column are 2. And order become 3 multiplied by 2. Now see, students, types of matrix. First is row matrix. That means only row is, columns are 2 there. We can't say there are not columns. Columns are there, but one row is there. That's why we say it row column. If there is only one column, then we will say it column matrix. Then next, in the square. Square means how many? 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. Square 2 by 2. Order if 2 by 2, then square. If order is 3 by 3, that means square. That means if the rows and the columns are equal, then we can say it is a square matrix. Then rectangular matrix, like this one. There are how many rows are there? 1, 2, but columns are 3. It is like a rectangle. Therefore, it is called rectangular matrix. Then the zero, null matrix. That means all the elements of the present in the matrix are represent 0. Diagonal matrix, only in the diagonal elements are present, other all are 0. See, 5, then minus 2, then 3. This is a diagonal numbers, but other all members elements are 0. This is called diagonal matrix. Then unit matrix or identity, because we have to use it in the sums. It is also represented by I. Now, in the diagonal there is only 1 is present, other members are 0. There are diagonal, other elements are there, other numbers are there. But if only diagonal represent with the one number, other are all elements are 0, then we can say it unit or identity matrix. Now see, student, next concept, we have to addition and subtraction. If we have to add the matrix, then the same order, we can add or subtract that matrix which have the same order. That means row and number of columns should be same. Then multiply with any number. Suppose I have to multiply this matrix with 2. Then all the elements, only not like a bracket, we have to multiply this 2 with all the member. 2 with 2, 2 with 3, 2 with 1, 2 with 6. And so, see, one I sum solve. A plus x, value of A is given, value of B is given, I have to find this x. Now this full matrix like a bracket go to that side and with sign negative. If there is negative, I take as positive. Now how to do? This 3 minus with minus 1, this minus minus become plus 1. That means first element with first, this element with this with this. But that means if their places are same, then we can add or subtract them. This will this and this with this. That means order, and we can say only the members present position, according to their position we can add or subtract them. Then this 3 minus minus plus 3 plus 1, this minus 3 with 2, 0, minus 2 with this minus 2, then this 0 with minus. Position, according to the position we can add or subtract. So please try to do it. Again see it. This 1 with A, this 2 with B, this 3 with C, and this 4 with B. Please try to do it. I am going to explain the next concept of chapter number 9, matrix. Now, the next concept is transpose. See students, what is the meaning of transpose? That is, transpose, suppose there is a given matrix A and elements are, first row have A, B, C and the second row have B, E, D, E, F. Now, I have to take a transpose of this A matrix. Now, this first row become the first column, second row become the second column. This is called transpose. That means we have to convert the rows into columns. Now next, multiplication. According to order, elements of the row of the first should be equal to the elements of the column of the second matrix. Now what is the meaning of it? See it students, in this given matrix, the first row have 2 elements. In the second matrix, that is B, the elements of the first column are 2. That means the multiplication is positive. If the elements of row and the elements of the column of second are not same, then the multiplication is not possible. First is, we have to see it. If these are same, elements of first row, first matrix row and the elements of the second matrix column, then the multiplication is possible. Now how to do the multiplication? See it carefully please, because according to the board this is so too much important. So please see it. The first element is 3, the second element is 4. In the second matrix, in the column, first is 3 and the first is 1 and the second is 3. Now this first element multiply with first, second element multiply with second, and between them there is sign of plus. 3 multiply 1, 4 multiply 3, and sign of plus. 3 plus 12 become 15 and this become 15. Now next concept, what is do? This first row attempt the first column. Now this first row go to the second column. Now first row go to the second column. Then 3 multiply first element first, second element with second. Then 3 multiply 2, 4 multiply 4, and in between sign of plus. It becomes 6 plus 16 and it becomes 22. Now there are not further columns. If there are, then this row go to each column. If there are 4 columns, this row go to 1, 2, 3, then next 4th column also. Then the columns are, second matrix columns are over. Then this first row will be now idle. We have to take the turn of second row. This second row members are 5, 0. Now we will take 5, 0. This second row go to the first column. Then this second row go to also to the second column. Now first member with first, second member with second, in between sign of plus. Then become 5. Then this second row go to the second column, first member with first, second member with second. 5 multiply 2, 0 multiply 4, and it become 5 to the 10, 4, 0, 0. That means 10 plus 0, in between sign of plus, and it become 10. See student, once again I am repeating. First row move to the second column, second matrix, and it will go turn by turn to each column. How many columns? That is not for, we have to just see how many columns are there. First row go turn by turn to each column, and elements first will be first, with second will be second. You can take like this one. That means if I take this matrix like this one, first matrix, then I take the second matrix. You can take arrow like this one. That means this row go to this column, then this row go to its next column. We can take the arrows there. That's mean that will be easy for us, because we have these member go to these member, then these member, in between sign of plus is necessary. So please careful. So please try to do it students. I know it is a new concept, plus do you can do. I am going to explain the next concept of chapter number 9, matrix. Now multiplication we done, addition and subtraction we done. Now how to find the matrix and order? Matrix is not given. We have to find the matrix and also its order. If first we find the order, If we find the order, then it is possible to find the matrix. Now in this given statement, see, one elements are 1, 4, 2 and 1, and this M matrix I have to find, and the answer equals to 13 and 5 is given. Then for how to first find the order of this matrix? First I will find the order, then it is possible to find the matrix. See, the order of how many rows are there? 2. How many columns are there? 2. That means order is 2 into 2 because row into column. Its order is I have not. No. So that's why I let its row as A and its column as B. Now this answer is given. How many rows are there? 1, 2. How many columns are there? 1. It means its order is row multiply column 2 multiply 1. Now see students, rows of first matrix, that means 2, go to that side. Then column of this matrix, second matrix, which we have to multiply, column is B, that go to that side. Then what are left? Column of first matrix, row of second matrix, that will be same. We have to take row of first matrix, column of second matrix, then column of first and row of second should be same. Now the value of A become 2 and the value of B become 1. It means the order of this matrix M is 2 into 1. Now I let the matrix M, because order is 2 into 1. I take 2 rows and 1 column. That means I will take the value A and B. Now see students, I let it. Now I will start the multiplication. I take the arrows. See, first members are 1 and 4. First member multiply first, second multiply with second. 1 multiply A, 4 multiply B. Now in between sign of plus. Now there is no another column. That's why this row not go forward. Now that is over. The turn of first row is over. Now this second row will start. Now the second row, the first member is 2 and the second member is 1. Its column first member is A and second member is first multiply first, second multiply second, and in between sign of plus. It become A plus 4B, it become 2A plus B, and equals to there is 13 and 5. Now this first will be equals to first, this second will equals to second. Now I take A plus 4B equals to 13, 2A plus B equals to 5. Now I solve equalizing the method. By equalizing the method, I find the value of A and B. B become 3 and by substitution A become 1. Now I let the matrix M as A and B. Now value of A is 1 and B is 3. That means this new matrix which I have to find, that become 1 and 3 with the square bracket. This is the sign of matrix. If you don't take it, there will be mistake. That means you can't get the marks. So please try to do it. Okay, students.